Hello and welcome to this video lesson on how to put your Outlook emails for school on an Apple or Android device. Let's take a look at Apple iPad and iPhone devices first of all. If you go to the App Store, over to the search, and what you're looking for is Outlook. So top option there, click on that. If you've downloaded it before, you'll have the wee cloud. If not, you'll have an install. If you just click on that to start the download, some of you might have to put your iCloud password in to start the download. Shouldn't take that long, it's not a big app. And hit open. When the app loads, it's looking for your email address. Now this is going to be your C2K username at c2ken.net. It's not going to be anything else. It's going to be your C2K Computer School username at c2ken.net, and hit add account. The next screen is a familiar one where it's asking for a domain / your username. This time it's the reverse. So you're going to start to enter in C2KEN with the slash going the same direction as it is on the screen, and then your C2K username. So C2KEN / and then your computer username that you use in school. Next one down then is the school computer password. So the same password that you would use in school to get onto the computers. Enter it in this box and click sign in. App asks you if you want to load another account, and you say no, do that later on. Notifications, turn those on, and notifications, allow those as well. And there you go, as easy as that. That's your inbox there. You can swipe up and down. You can go from focus to other using the slider at the top. Check different inboxes. So that's about it for the Apple side. Let's go to the Android. Again, go to the Play Store this time. Up in the search bar, you're looking for the same app you've got is Outlook. So up the top, start to type in Outlook. Okay, it's come up as Microsoft Outlook on this occasion. You click on that. You click on install. Again, it's not a big download. Should take a few seconds for it to start. Just let it finish off installing. And click the open button when it's finished. Same looking screen as on the Apple. Click get started. Okay, you want it just hidden behind the Mobile Zen icon there, there's a wee button that says skip, so skip that. Back to where we were. Email address is your C2K username, so the same computer username that you use inside school, and finish it off with at c2ken.net. So your school computer password, or school computer username, sorry, at c2ken. Exact same screen as we had before on the Apple devices, where it's asking for a domain / username. Again, anytime that you're prompted for this, it's going to be C2KEN / and then your school computer username. So C2KEN, the slash is important that it goes that direction, and then your C2K school computer username. The box below then is your school computer password. So enter that in and hit the sign in button. Takes a wee second or two. Asks you want to add another account, you want to skip that step. and skip this step as well. And there you have it. You've got your Outlook school emails on your device, either Apple or Android. Similarly to what you had on the Apple, you've got the slider underneath inbox at the top to swap between focused and other, just in case some messages end up in a different folder. Just slide across and that's it. You can close the app and we're done. Thank you.